Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about scope of production and operations management. 1. Facility location. Choosing the best place to set up a factory or office. This includes considering factors like cost of land, labor, and transportation. 2. Plant layout design. Arranging machines, equipment, and storage areas within a facility to optimize workflow and efficiency. 3. Material handling, the process of moving materials within a facility from storage to production and then to shipping. 4. Product design, creating new products or improving existing ones considering factors like functionality, cost, and customer needs. 5. Production planning and control, planning and scheduling production activities to meet customer demand and optimize resource utilization. 6. Quality control, ensuring that products meet quality standards through inspections, testing, and other quality assurance measures. 7. Materials management, managing the acquisition, storage, and use of materials needed for production. 8. Maintenance management, planning and executing maintenance activities to keep equipment and machinery in good working condition. Let's talk about the characteristics, customer needs, making what people want, technology, using machines and computers to work smarter, global connections, working with people from all over the world, sustainability, protecting the environment, flexibility, adapting to change quickly, quality, making things right the first time. Let's talk about the trends. 1. Global marketplace. Companies are operating in multiple countries to compete globally. 2. Production/operation strategies. Companies are aligning their production strategies with their overall business goals. 3. Total quality management. Companies are focusing on improving quality to satisfy customers. 4. Flexibility. Companies are adapting to changes in demand and delivery times. 5. Time minimization. Companies are reducing production time to be more competitive. 6. Technology. Companies are adopting new technologies to stay competitive. 7. Employee involvement and empowerment. Companies are empowering employees to 8. Make decisions. 8. Re-engineering. Companies are redesigning their processes to improve performance. 9. Environmental issues. Companies are focusing on sustainability and reducing environmental impact. 10. Corporate downsizing. Companies are reducing their workforce to cut costs. 11. Supply chain management. Companies are managing their supply chain to reduce costs and improve efficiency. 12. Lean production. Companies are using efficient methods to produce more with fewer resources.